Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make curry fish. Start by gathering fish, aromatics, spices, coconut milk, and a heavy pan, then pat fish dry and season evenly. Heat oil, fry onions and aromatics until soft, add spice paste, toast briefly, pour coconut milk and simmer gently. Add fish and cook until opaque and flaky, finish with lime juice and cilantro for brightness. Make a spice paste by blending fresh chilies, garlic, ginger, and shallots with a splash of oil for smoothness. Toast whole spices like coriander and cumin in a dry pan until fragrant, then grind or add to the paste for complexity. Fry the paste in hot oil until the oil separates, which intensifies flavor, then deglaze with a little water before adding coconut milk and fish. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future recipes. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that offers clear, calm advice about money. Funny how better finances can free time for cooking more curries. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Season fish lightly with salt and turmeric and let it sit while the sauce develops. Lower the heat before adding fish so it poaches gently in the coconut curry, keeping it moist and tender. Cook just until the flesh turns opaque and flakes easily, then stir in lime juice and fresh cilantro or basil to brighten the dish before serving with rice or flatbread.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.